It's time to report in on my weekly YouTube growth journey. I'm really delighted to do this, and I'm happy to say this will become a weekly feature probably every Tuesday now that I've worked out my schedule a little bit better. So keep watching to see what happened on my YouTube journey, and at the end I'm even going to announce my channel VIP of the week. Thanks for watching. The week of August 30th through September, whatever that is, 5th maybe, about my YouTube journey. I am recording this on Quarry Road entrance to the Appalachian Trail in Wantage, I believe, New Jersey. And this is in honor of my Hall of Fame winner from last week, who were Kay and Row Hiking Happens. I'm now up to officially 348 subscribers. I added a few, mostly I believe because of the Friday Night Live that I did with a group of people. And the other ways that I've grown is I actually have a clear map for next week of what I want to be creating, including a live on Monday, and also to just have a steady content flow. It also helps me to know that I can make these even more creative and fun than just me sitting behind my desk. I can show you around the places that I love. This has been fun trying to get the perfect angle, perfect framing. So, I'm running out of light. Tip number 1 to improvement: get out earlier. I'm at High Point State Park, and it is Sunday of Labor Day weekend, so the place is full. But anyway, I have this journal that I covered on keeping track of things. So here we go for today. My subscriber count is up to 351. That's really cool. There's been a real uptick in comments, which has been awesome. And I'm trying to return all the comments. And it's interesting because I found some comments from 3 weeks ago that I never answered. We're trying to get better every day. That's the main focus, getting better and growing. So hopefully tomorrow night I'll have a really cool view that I wanted to do on this video, but too many people. Today is Monday. And today I had my first live stream on YouTube in forever. And it went really well, I think. So let me just give you the numbers, and then I will give you kind of how things went and what I did to be smart. So we're up to 354 subs, which is 30. I grew 30 in 28 days. So one person a day, basically. I've gotten to be pretty consistently hitting some big numbers with my shorts. So I had 1.2 thousand with Good Morning Sunflower Shine, is what I call that one. 987 in the Bakersfield Tree Hug. And then the 1,124 for Sometimes Writing Feels Like. Made me wonder, did putting the word Bakersfield in the Bakersfield Tree Hugs help that number? I don't know. As far as long form goes, the Using Gratitude journaling for beginner writers is doing pretty well for me. I have 76 views, 12 likes, 15 comments. So, and that was last Thursday. So I'm improving. I mean, it's nowhere near what the big two YouTubers have, but for me, I'm improving, I'm learning, it's great. For the live stream, I like to be able to give good quality content from the second somebody walks in the room, whether it's live or replay. So I start with my content right from the beginning, and I thank my live viewers and my replay viewers. So the replay viewers don't get frustrated and leave. If more people came in, I would have stayed longer. But you can see here, I was following, I don't know if you can see it too far away. I'll take pictures and then I'll bring it back in. I came back, so that isn't bad. Maybe I should have started shooting from here. I'm just learning as I go. So I put a hook, getting the people in, saying something that hopefully will make them stay. And then I introduced myself, and then I talked about what gratitude has taught me and how it's helped in my life and how I want it to help in their life. Okay, and I practiced with the banners that I made that I forgot about. And so I think the banners are the little things at the bottom of the screen that you can pre-program into your live stream. To get engagement going and stuff. So I did that, and I practiced with sharing the comments as they came up. So yeah, all in all, thought the live stream and thought the numbers today were good. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. It's Friday. It's been a few days since I recorded. Update, I have 355 subs, which is good. We are up since the last time I counted. And I have not recorded or made shorts or done anything for the last few days because I have been in South Jersey, which is where my daughter, her husband, the grandbaby are. It's pretty tiring being the primary caregiver for a couple days of the little one. She's a Spitfire, and I love every minute. We had great time. You'll see that coming up on shorts without showing her face, of course. I hope you'll come back next week. Perhaps we'll grow a few more followers. I will be doing tonight's live stream. This is on a Friday. I'll be doing Monday's live stream. I'm really trying to, this was a goal last week, to stack up my content because I don't want to have content too much on the weekends because I found that most people aren't hanging out on YouTube on the weekends. And so I will be stacking it on during the week, except for when I'm traveling. I will be doing vlogging, and the vlogs will come out like 2 weeks later. So you won't see my vlogs live when I'm in a place. You'll see them after I've left that place. So anyway, thank you so much. What am I doing? I totally lost track of what the purpose was of this segment. Blooper. Oh, before you go, I wanted to remind you about my Hall of Fame. So it's the JJS Hall of Fame Award that I made up last week. And this is a person who has definitely been a big part of my week's experience. And that would be Simply Debbie Sue. Simply Debbie Sue hung out in my live stream, which was amazing. I so loved spending time with her. And it was really helpful on that first live stream back to have someone to actually talk to. Especially since I was on StreamYard and I was practicing with my banners and stuff. It really helped to have someone making comments so that I could be sharing the comments, sharing the banners, and just having a darn good time while I was doing it. So thank you, Debbie Sue, so much. I'll put her YouTube channel in the description so that you can follow her. Follow Simply Debbie Sue. She was an amazing contribution to the channel last week. And so many of you are making so many comments. I'm going to do a special segment on people who made comments over again and over again and over again. Next week, I'll include that in my video. And I hope that you know that even if this is the only time we meet, that you have made a contribution in my life and have made it better. So for all of you fellow optimistic older adults, let's keep making this world a better place, one kindness, one gratitude at a time.